How to delete multiple photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The iPhone Photos app is a built-in application that serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on Select. Select the photos you want to delete from here. And then, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the Delete icon as shown. Tap on Delete Items to confirm. You have now successfully deleted these photos. You can repeat this to delete other photos and videos from your phone as well. Following these steps, you can easily delete multiple photos on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.